Jake is very happy he finally started earning money. Every month, he saved a little bit cash in his fucking bank account. But one day, he heard someone say, saving money can actually make you poorer. That sounded ridiculous. After hearing this, confused, Jake immediately called his smart and beautiful friend Emma, who is a financial expert, and asked her about this. And what she explained next completely changed the way Jake thought about money.
Emma, I don't get it. People always tell me to save money, but now I'm hearing that saving can make me poorer. How the hell does that even make sense?
Well, Jake, saving money isn't bad. In fact, it's important for future needs. But saving and investing are two very different things.
Okay, so what's the difference? Explain to me like I am 10.
Okay, you idiot. Think of it this way. Saving is storing your money safely, whereas investing is putting your money to work so it can grow over time.
Will you please elaborate and give me a fucking example?
All right, here's an example. Let's say you have $1,000. If you put it in a savings account, your money stays safe and you might earn a small amount of interest of approximately between 7 and 10%.
Sounds good so far.
It is, but here's the problem. Inflation causes prices to rise over time.
Inflation? This is not fair, Emma. Now you're making me more confused.
Don't worry, you idiot. Just listen to me. Imagine a burger costs you $5 today. A few years later, that same burger might cost $6 or $7. Your money loses purchasing power over time.
So even though I still have my $1,000, it buys less stuff?
Exactly. That's the fucking inflation.
Ah, now I can see why people say saving alone can make you poor. Right.
That's where investing comes in.
So investing means buying stocks?
Stocks are one type of investment, but not the only one. You can invest in index funds, ETFs, bonds, real estate, and other assets. That's a topic of some other day.
And why would I do that?
Because investments have the potential to grow faster than inflation over the long term.
Potential?
Yes. Unlike savings accounts, investments come with risk. Their value can go up and down.
So saving is safer.
Much safer. If you need money soon, like for rent, emergencies, or a vacation next month, saving is usually the better choice.
And investing is for long-term goals.
Exactly. Things like retirement, buying a house years from now, or building wealth over decades. For those cases, investing is suitable.
So should I stop saving and invest everything?
Absolutely not. That's why I call you a fucking idiot.
But why not?
Because you need both. Saving and investing work together.
How?
First, build an emergency fund, usually 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep that money in a safe savings account.
Okay.
Then, once your emergency fund is ready, you can start investing extra money in different investing options like stock market and ETFs for long-term growth.
So saving protects my money while investing helps me in growing it.
Perfect. That's the easiest way to remember it.
Let me see if I got this right. Saving is for safety and short-term needs. Investing is for growth and long-term goals.
Exactly. Now you're thinking like an expert investor. Let's have a small recap. Saving means keeping money safe and easily accessible. Investing means putting money into assets that can grow over time. Savings accounts have low risk but usually lower returns. Investments have higher growth potential but come with risk. Saving helps with emergencies and short-term goals. Investing helps build wealth for the future. The smartest approach isn't choosing one or the other, it's using both.
So, are you currently saving your money, investing it, or doing a combination of both? Let us know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next personal finance lesson. Because just like this idiot Jake, you have to learn much about investing.
Thanks for watching, and we'll put you in our eyes in the next video.